Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T10 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find the passwords and accounts. Of course, here you've got a Google section and you can add the Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using passwords and accounts. So let me tap on it, and as you can see in the accounts section, we do not have any accounts. So let's start this tutorial with adding new one. So let's tap on Add Account, choose Google. Make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. But be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage Google accounts, so how to add and remove a Google account in your DOOGEE T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.